Hello students, warmly welcome to offer in a e-learning platform of SYBSc plant physiology. In that we have seen that the chapter number 5, that are the nitrogen metabolism. In that last point are remaining, that are the production methods of BGA. Most of the students knowing that the what do you mean by BGA? BGA, it is a blue green algae, okay, that are the produced artificially in a different culture media. Okay, is that clear? Let's see. In India, general predominance of a BGA such as Anabina, Nostoc, Calothrix were found to be widely distributed throughout the rice growing tract except the acidic soil of Kerala, Assam, parts of Tamil Nadu, and the other forms like Cylindrosporum, Trollipothryx, Cytonema, Olocera had the localized the distribution. The distribution of soil harboring the blue-green algae in India varies from a low as a 7 to high as the 18% different states. For the instance of Uttar Pradesh, soil are rich in a Alosaria, whereas the mustigolicate in found in Gujarat, Cylindrospermum occurs in Karnataka, and Calothrix is commonly found in a Punjab soil. BGA occur densities from the 1 into 10.2 into 8 into 10 centimeter in the abundance was the correlated pH available in a P content of a soil. During a recent year, quantitative studies show that the consistent presence of a BGA in a high density of a soil under the rice cultivation countries like India, Malaysia, Philippines, and the Portugal. This is the only distribution of a different cyanobacteria or the different blue-green algae found in a soil. There is government initiative for the BGA mass production. Government have given an initiative, that means government different types of scheme are realizing for the mass production of BGA. Mass production, it it is nothing but the one steps of a one methods of a blue green algae production. To awareness utilizing the algal biofertilizer to supplement the nitrogen requirement of a rice crop was introduced as early in 1939. The potential of a cyanobacteria in a rice field was demonstrated by the Singh in 1961. However, the systematic approach was undertaken by IARI, and an algal biofertilizer technology developed by according to this BGI were allowed to grow with this soil as a carrier, then applied to the 10 kg per hectare dry soil based on an inoculum in a rice field. And a new technology was developed, financial assistance provided by the Department of Biotechnology in BGA grown formulated medium in a glass polythene house, and the soil was replaced with a lighter carrier in 1972 at a IRI New Delhi. at the first at the first ever production of cyanobacterial biofertilizer in India was reported. That is nothing but the scheme of a government are given for the awareness of the algal biofertilizer to the people in a rice field. In a rice field, the soil, it is a more uh, more water holding capacity, but there is loss of water in that soil. For that purpose, algal biofertilizer that are need algal biofertilizer, that means a blue green algae having the ability to fix their nitrogen. Okay, and the BJ, it is the most important organism that fix the nitrogen into the plant. The main objective of this program to develop a low cost of indigenous technology for mass production of cyanobacteria to isolate the regional specific fast growing better nitrogen fixation strain to develop a starter inoculum, demonstrate the farmer in a field and the study of a benefit both economy and the ecology. As a result of study, cyanobacterial biofertilizer was found useful especially for the small and the marginal farmer of the country in the viewpoint of economy and the ecology. That are the some methods of the mass production of a BGA government schemes and their objectives or their benefits of that program. Let's see production of BGA. The pure culture of BGA is transferred into culture flask having the fog medium. The growth are provided in sufficient light and now algal culture was started in a culture initiated by the mass culture of BGA. In a general, there are four methods of algal production have been reported. First, trough or the tank method. Second, pit method, field method, nursery method. The former two methods are essential. Individual farmers are later to the bulk production on a commercial scale. After the harvesting of a whale, BG are packed and the back are stored in cool places and these BG are preserved for the 3 years without losing their efficiency. A 10 kg BGA inoculant recommended for the 1 hectare flooded rice. The dried BGA flakes are introduced in a field 10 days of implantation. The application of BGA crop it is called as a algalization and increase the yield 34% in the rice field. Generally BGA production there are the four steps. First is trough or the tank method, second pit, field method, nursery method. That are the four methods. Inside name are the given. Tank method means that in that tank we have a culture them and the grow BGA organism. Second pit method there is we have make a small holes in that we have a grow BGA. Then field method on a field we have growing of BGA. Nursery come algal production. In that nursery we have to do a culture of a BGA and the grow. Let's see some figures of a BGA production. That are nursery, that are the field and that are the tank method. This is blue green algae biofertilizer, that is in nursery method. Let's see first method, trough or the tank method. This method basically used in laboratory where the zinc iron trough are the used. These are dimensionally 2 by 3 centimeter in a width and the 22 centimeter in a height. The trough will the fill with the 10 kg soils and the 200 grams of a superphosphate is spread on it. Water are poured up to the 5 to 10 centimeter in height and the calcium carbonate are added to adjust the pH around the 7. Then starter culture is spring over it. The troughs are kept in sunlight where BGI is developed. The water every day. After the sufficient growth, BGA soil allows to dry and the dry flakes are collected and the packed for the algalization. That are the simple method, tough method. In that first we have to use the laboratory where the zinc iron tough are used. Zinc iron tough are used. In that the tough having the structure 2 by 3 width and the 22 centimeter in a height. In that first we have add a 10 kg soil. On the soil there are 200 grams of a superphosphate we have spread on it and the water are the fill up to 5 to 10 centimeter and their calcium carbonate are the added for the adjust the pH range 7. Then starter culture of a BGA are spread in that tank and after the growth of a BGA is occur soil is dry, then they are collected and the store. There are different in institute different agency are given different technology. In that first technology, it is a college level production and it is a industrial level production methods. Let's see. Prepare the shallow trays, galvanized sheet and permanent tank. Of the tank size can be increased if the more material can be produced. Spread to 4 to 5 kg of river soils with a well 100 grams superphosphate, 2 grams sodium molybdate, 4 to 5 to 15 centimeter water in a tray, and this will depend the local condition of rate of evaporation ingredient property. In order to avoid the nauseous mosquito, 10 to 15 grams of Furodon granules, malathion, any other suitable granules. The mixture of a soil will settle within the 8 to 10 hours, and at this time 200 to 250 grams of mother culture of blue green algae to the surface of water. They don't disturb the water. The reaction of soil should be neutral. For that, calcium carbonate is added to neutral pH. If the sunlight temperature is a normal 10 to 15 days, take a growth of a blue green algae. The hard flakes on a surface of a water soil. Similarly, water level is reduced due to evaporation. This way, water in a tray allow to evaporate and the growth of flakes to allow to dry. If soil is dried, the algal growth is separated from a soil. These pieces of algal growth are collected and stored in a plastic bags. In this way, one square meter tray, 1 square meter tray, about the half tons of a blue green algae growth are obtained. Again, add water and add strain of a soil well, and then allows to algae grow in this way. That is the trough method. First I have to tell that are the college level method, and that are in the industrial. In the industry, some points are the similar, but minute points are the different, such as the size, then sodium molybdate are the added, but it is growing in a tree, and that are the grow in a tank. Next it is the pit method. In this method, full sunlight shallow pits are maintained. To avoid percolation, polythene sheet is a line inside with the pit. The soil is filled in a pit up to the 20 centimeter. The water for a 10 centimeter. Then carbofuran sawdust are added along with the starter culture are sprinkled. Then similarly after the growth of BGA, the dry flakes are collected and the packed. Simply in this method, under the full sunlight, shallow pits are the maintained. Shallow pits means we have to make a tank or the any structure. In that we have to make a pits or the holes. In that holes, polythene sheet are a place. Okay, in that holes, polythene sheets are the place. Then soil fill in a pits up to 20 centimeters. Then carbofuran and the dust is added. Then culture are the spread and the BGA are grow. In this method, blue-green algae does not differ from the one described above through the methods. Instead of the trough or the tank, pits are the dug in the ground layer with the thick polythene. Hold the water in one half cement plaster or tank. The expensive that is known as a pit method. Simple pit method, we are in a ground we have a make a small pits, or the any tank like structure we have a make a pits. In that pits should have a percolation. That means there is a some amount of there is not that pits is a not will be press. That pits are the percolate easily. That pits are the made. In that 20 centimeter water for the 10 centimeter in heights. Okay, that soil is a fill in a 20 centimeter. In that soil we have fill in a 20 centimeter and the water for the 10 centimeter in height. The carbofuran and sawdust are the spread. Then finally some water some culture are added on that culture. After 10 to 15 days, there is a growth of BGI will be occur, and that are the collected and the store. Next is the field method. This method requires the open maintained field about the 40 square meters. The plot are water up to 15 centimeter height, and the 20 kg superphosphate are added to it. After the maintaining the pH around the 7, the carbofuran are added. Then starter culture are added in a 5 kg, and it is frequently water it about to 3 to 4 weeks. The BG are developed and the soil allowed to dry. In these methods, about the 30 kg of BGA can be harvested. Next is field at the large scale. If you have a doing in college level field production of BGA, there is a short method, but at the college at the industrial level or the large scale production, you require the more feasible methods. In a field scale of production, the blue green algae is really a scale up operation that truck methods that produce the material at the commercial level. This type of algal production is more common in amongst the farmers of South India. It is a demarcate area field of algal production. The suggested area it is a 14 meter square. No special preparation of is necessary. Although algal production is investigate that immediately after the crop harvest, the stubble to be removed. The soil is loamy. It should be well the puddle and the facilitate the lodging condition. Prepare the burnt. Prepare the prepare the burnt with the earth so as to store the water. Flood area that is depth is the 2.5 centimeter. Trough or the pit method is the flooding is done only beginning, while the field scale method are the flooding repeatedly to keep water scheduling. Then apply of a superphosphate. Then control the insect and the pest attack. Apply the carbofuran. If the field received previously algal application, at least 2 consecutive cropping season, no fresh algal application is required. Otherwise, apply of a composite algal culture 5 kg per 40 meter square area. Once the algae have grow to form a floating mats, they are allowed to dry in the sun, and the field and dried algal flake are then in a week. Once the algae have grown, they form the floating mats allowed to dry, and the dried algal flake are then collected in sunny bags for the further use. One can continuously harvesting the growth same area, reflooding the plots and the applying the superphosphate and the pesticide in such a situation. Addition of algal inoculum subsequent and the production it is not necessary during a summer month. The average yield of algae are harvest and the range from the 16 to 30 kg. Nursery come algal production. Farmer can produce algae along with the seedling in a nursery. If 320 meter square land are allotted to prepare a nursery, in additional 40 meter square alongside can be prepared algal production as I described. By the time of rice seedling ready transplantation, about 15 to 20 kg of algal material will be available. This much quantity of algal mass are sufficient to inoculate the half hectare of area. In every farmer produce algal material require to the inoculant his own land. Then he will reduce the algal inoculation required to be purchased. So also we can cut the cost of a chemical fertilizer that applied are the recommended. Means nursery production, nursery come algal production. In that simply we have made some structure in a nursery that where the algal production are the done, that are the like field production. But in difference in the field, the sunlight and the external condition are the external condition, it is not controlled, but in nursery all external condition are the controlled. Mass production. For the cultivation of cyanobacteria bacterial biofertilizer, the regional specific strain should be used, and the following are methods are used: cemented tank method, shallow metal traps methods, polythene line method, and the field method. Methods of application of BGA biofertilizer. One packet is ready used to multani mitti based on the BGA biofertilizer are the mix with the 4 kg dried sieve farm soil with a rice growing area. The above BGA fertilizer broadcasted to the standing water in a rice field 3 to 6 days. After the transplanting rice seedling, the field should be kept in a waterlogged condition about 10 to 12 days. After the inoculation, allow to the good growth of a BGA. Avoid the using of a chemical nitrogen fertilizer if necessary. If necessary, at a very low dosage to that after the gap of 3-4 days. The apply of a BGA at least 4 consecutive seasons have a cumulative effect. Future prospect of BGA. In the present times, chemical fertilizer is more practice for the crop production, which affected the soil and the environment quality and the sustainability of the agriculture crop production of system. Then the adequate use of a biofertilizer helps to maintaining the soil quality, thus to provide low cost approach to manage the crop yield along with the protecting the environment. Traditionally conservation based methods, that is a modern technology, can reduce the farmer dependence. The chemical fertilizer, pesticide, as well as reduce the farming cost of environmental hazard. Emphasis on an integrated plant nutrient supply concept involving biofertilizer should be integrated low dosage chemical fertilizer in the cropping system for the better result. Major research focus on the should be production of the efficient sustainable biofertilizer for the crop plant. There is a need for research of a highlight on a selection of the effective species of cyanobacteria according to climate situation. There should be quality control system for the production of the inoculant and the application in the field. Economic evolution, cyanobacterial strain for the diverse crop is required. Establishment of a biofertilizer act and the strict regulation of the quality control of biofertilizer required to make a BGA and the other fertilizer in a crop. The importance, the first organism have to photosystem and the produce the organic material and the give of O2 byproduct show the photosynthetic activity. Many fix or convert the atmospheric nitrogen into usable form. Atmospheric nitrogen is unavailable most of the living organism. Oscillatoria and a few other cyanobacteria can use pollution indicator. The super blue green algae are the basically expensive in a pond scum, which a cyanobacterium are the single cell organism that produces the own food. So the photosynthesis it serves as a complete whole food which contains 60% protein. All are essential for the amino acid and the perfect balance. Symbiotic relationship. They have a symbiotic relationship with the protozoa, fungi, nitrogen fixing species, association with the angiosperms. They are a photosynthetic partner, and the most of the lichen association Anabaena azolla colonize the floating water fern. A part of the cyanobacteria also colonizes with the root of a higher plant, the coralloid root of a cycas. They are a good example of a association. It is a use in a spool, that is a spirulina. Spirulina are sold in the market as a nutritive value. Spirulina tablet are sold in all over the world. as a health food. Its application biotechnology, unicellular cyanobacteria, Syneco, Synecocystis, Synecocystis. There are the species are the 6803 was the third prokaryotic, was the first photosynthetic organism whose genome was completely sequenced to continue to be the important models of a organism. Cyanobacteria may be possess the ability to produce the substance that could be one day serve as the anti-inflammatory agents and the combat of a bacterial infection in a human. Cyanobacteria are a culture in a specific media. Culture in a specific media, cyanobacteria can be helpful for the agriculture as they have a capability to fix the atmospheric nitrogen to the soil. Recent research has been potential application of cyanobacteria to the generation of a renewable energy via converting the sunlight into electricity. Currently, efforts are undergoing that the commercial algae-based fuels such as diesel, gasoline, and the jet fuels. The researcher from the company is called as the Algenol have a culture genetically modified cyanobacteria in a seawater inside a clear plastic enclosure so that they first make a sugar pyruvate from a CO2 and then the water via photosynthesis. Health benefit. Synovine, it is a secondary metabolite that shown the possess anti-HIV activity, and the consumption of the edible blue-green algae may be also reduce the risk of the cataract and the age-related the macular degeneration. Sulfate polysaccharide exhibit anti-tumor, anticoagulant, anti-mutagenic, anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, even antiviral activity against HIV, herpes, and the hepatitis. Not only cyanobacteria is an important element to forming the earth oxygen atmosphere but also contributed the many attributes important to the human life. Many protozoic oil deposited attribute activity of cyanobacteria. They are also important to provide nitrogen fertilizer in the cultivation of rice and the beans. The other great contribution of the cyanobacteria is the origin of a plant. The chloroplast with which a plant make a food for themselves, actually cyanobacterium is a living within the plant cell. Sometimes protozoic or the early Cambrian cyanobacteria began to make up residence within the certain eukaryotic cells, making the food for the eukaryotic host in a return for a home. This event is known as the endosymbiosis and also the origin of a eukaryotic mitochondria because they photosynthetic and aquatic cyanobacteria are often is called as a blue-green algae. The name of a convenient for the talking about the organism in a water that make their own food but does not reflect the relationship between the cyanobacteria and organism called as a algae. Cyanobacteria relatives of the bacteria and not a eukaryotic, and only chloroplast of the eukaryotic algae is related. They are one of the early colonizer bear the barren areas. They provide the suitable condition for the growth and the other organisms, even the most are the hostile environment. Blue-green algae, the function food as the several aquatic animals. Spirulina regularly collected for the human consumption in the parts of Africa. Nostoc similarly are used in China. In Rajasthan, Anabaena spirulina collected from the Sambar lake and used as a fodder and a manure. Spirulina is a very cultivated, easily cultivated in tanks. It can be used in a palatable protein such as a food supplement and the animal nutrition. Several cyanobacteria have the ability to nitrogen fixation. The filamentous forms of possess the special large pale yellow heterocyst for this. Some fix nitrogen such as nitrogen fixing bacteria regularly inoculating for the rice field and save the consumption of a nitrogen fertilizer. Nitrogen fixing cyanobacteria often used in reclaiming the soil. For example, nostoc and abina, these cyanobacteria produce the acidic and the chemical contracting the alkalinity of soil nitrogenous component which are generally deficient in the soil. Antibiotic can be manufactured from the extracted of a lignite. The species of Anabia alocera, it is not allowed to mosquito larvae grow nearby, so that cyanobacteria can be inoculated in a village of ponds and the rice field to prevent the growth of mosquitoes. Cyanobacteria can grow in the walls of the roofs and the buildings during the rainy seasons and causing the discoloration, corrosion and the leakage. They produce water blooms, imparting the bad odor and the color of water bodies. Some cyanobacteria produce the toxin harmful to most aquatic animals. They may prove the equally toxic human beings drinking, bathing in such as water. Important toxin that is producing microcystic, uriginosa, anacystic, cyania, anabina, flusica, aphanozomen, flosicu. The economic importance of green algae that are the known as cyanobacteria primarily lies agronomic importance in biofertilizer to nitrogen fixation ability that helps to grow successfully in a habitat with a low or no combined nitrogen. They are naturally found in the most of the paddy soil and the fertility texture of a soil. Blue green algae, it is an important economy in the fact of generally harmful blooms of a BGA which occur lakes and the ponds and the mass fish kills. Some BGA are toxic. Spirulina BGA that grown in a small scale is for the food supplement and the rich in a protein. Some BGA grown as a good source of a biofuel in a small ponds and harvested economical cost. BGA secrete the acidic chemical which decrease the alkalinity of a soil. Some are used in a green manure. Some are secrete the toxin which inhibit the growth of a mosquito larvae in a water. Thank you. This is all about the production of a BGA methods, their application, future prospect, and the different methods learn that are the BGA production.